Hello guys, today I am going to show how to connect an internal HDD to your PC or laptop. You will need a SATA to USB adapter or an external HDD case plus power if it's a 3.5-inch drive. Connect the SATA and power cables to your HDD. Plug the USB end into your computer. That's it. Your drive should appear automatically. If not, open Disk Management to assign a data or format it. Be careful with old drives and always eject the HDD safely before unplugging to avoid data loss. Like the video, don't forget to subscribe.